Varun Beverages Limited is a leading Indian beverage company serving to over 1.3 billion customers globally through its extensive network of over 3 million retail outlets, with a strong presence in India and several international markets. VBL is the second largest franchise of PepsiCo in the world, with a presence in over 25 countries. The company is engaged in the manufacturing, bottling, and distribution of a wide range of carbonated soft drinks, mineral water, and fruit juices. It also has an exclusive co-manufacturing agreement to manufacture Kurkure Puffcorn, an agreement to distribute and sell Lay's, Doritos, and Cheetos in Morocco. VBL has demonstrated strong financial performance in recent years. Its revenue has been growing at a CAGR of around 27% over the past 5 years, and the company has been able to maintain operating margins about 20% consistently. The strong financial performance can be seen in its stock price. It has delivered a CAGR of 50% in the last 5 years. This indicates that the company has been able to manage its cost efficiently and generate profits even in a highly competitive market. In India, the company has a strong distribution network with more than 30 bottling plants and over 100 warehouses. The company's market share in the Indian carbonated soft drink market is around 22%, making it the third largest player in the segment. Let's listen to Mohnish Pabrai and VBL Stock valuation compared to its peers around the world.
Okay, and Varun is the Pepsi bottler for most of India. I mean, other than Andhra and Kashmir, they have the rest of India. Varun, I think last time I looked, the market cap is about like $11 billion. Okay, their volume last year was a little less than 700 million cases. So just remember that 700 million cases and 11 billion. And it's growing, I mean, it's a great business and it'll grow a lot. There is a Coke bottler in Turkey, which is bottling for Coke, but it's not just bottling in Turkey. It's bottling in about a dozen countries where they have the exclusive rights for the whole country. One of the countries they have the exclusive rights to bottle is Pakistan. Okay, so this company in Turkey has the exclusive bottling rights in Pakistan. In Pakistan, 51% of the Coke bottler is owned by the Coca-Cola company in Atlanta, and 49% is owned by this Turkish company. Okay, Coca-Cola Enterprises in Atlanta recently agreed to sell the 51% to this Turkish company for $300 million. So basically the Pakistan bottler was valued at 600 million. Half was sold for 300 million. In Pakistan, the Coke bottler volume is 400 million cases a year. Okay, Varun is little under 700 million. So let's double it. So 600 million is the value for 400 million cases, 1.2 billion for 800 million cases. Okay, there may be some differences in growth rate, but the bottler in Pakistan is sitting at 10% of the valuation of the bottler in India. And Coke is a better brand. So between Coke and Pepsi, people will go for Coke. So it's actually the more dominant, better brand. So that Coke bottler in Turkey, they have operations in all these countries, including Turkey. So the market cap of that business, which is about 1.6 billion cases a year, is 2.8 billion. It is 1/4 of the value of Varun Beverages at almost 3 times the size. Right? So anomaly. It's an anomaly. So one of 3 things is true. Varun is overvalued, or the Coke bottler is undervalued, or a combination of the two. Right? And when we can look at cash flows, we can look at many other things. But the thing is that even in Pakistan and in India, the per capita consumption of Coke and Pepsi is extremely low. If we fast forward 10 years or 20 years, the per capita numbers will go up a lot. The population will go up. All of those numbers will change. So in both places, it's a good business. Varun may even grow faster because Pakistan's having all kinds of issues. But 10 to 1 difference in value, one is trading at 50 times trailing earnings. The other is trading at 9 times trailing earnings. So what we are looking for in investing is things that when you look at them, you say, you are astonished. Okay. If you don't get astonished when you look at a stock about something, just pass. Wait for something else that astonishes you. Because in auction-driven markets, you will find astonishing things. It will not happen every day, every week, every year, But you only need one Titan. You only need one Racas or one Coke bottler. You don't need too many things. One Blue Dart. Just focus on the astonishing.